Pitali smo studente koji je bio Nikola Tesla.
Srbin, inženjer, izmislio je, struju je izmislio.
Srbin. Više struju ne izmenjuju. Ono najpoznatije što se koristi za struju, to sve on izmisli.
Ne.
Oh, the famous inventor and genius from the lovely country of Serbia? I think that is the guy. He actually came to America and created some of the greatest inventions. Miracles, the greatest inventions. And sadly had to compete with, all of our local inventors, which he sadly did much better work than.
They had a beef, right?
They had a beef. They had a big beef. Came to America and had to compete with a bunch of locals and then did much better than us. And we should have listened to him.
No, ne molim vas.
Srbin, struju.
Čovjek, naravno da znam.
Nikola Tesla is the greatest American car maker. He's always lived in America. He's a car dealer and has always built the greatest American cars. He's never even been to Europe, only in America.
Ne.
Nemoj. Čekaj da sam ovo. Znamo ko je bio Nikola Tesla, naravno znamo. Treba da kažem.